So here we are in a 3rd gen Dodge Ram. A lot of people have trouble getting the dash cover, front bezel with the vent holes and the speaker holes in it. A lot of people have trouble getting those off without breaking them. I'm gonna show you a little tip that I do. Now, I've already got it removed on the front because, well, I don't want to snap it back in and have to unsnap it because the front's really pretty easy to do. These things are like peppermint, so you got to be real careful with them. So here we go. I have put little blue tape dots across this dash so you'll know where the clips are. The ones closest to us clip straight down and they pull straight up. The ones closest to the windshield clip in towards the front of the truck and unclip, pulling back on them. So there you are. You got all of the locations of the clips. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across the front, the part that's closest to you, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the back. So to get these off on the front, you're just going to start in the middle. Use a plastic tool. I tried using the metal one time and I've got a little chip on the plastic. So use a plastic tool, just pry up under there, pop. Get you a location where this blue is. So this one's just to the right of the vent, this one's just to the left of the vent. Get you a location here, pry it up, pry it up, pry it up. Pry up on each one of those blue dots. And then once you get it to this point, and I have stuck that down because I want to show you what this little wire tool here that I made will do for you. So what we'll do, I'm going to try my best to video and show you this. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Hang on. Okay, I know this is not the greatest way to show you how, but that's all I got. So what we're going to do, we're going to take us a light. We're going to shine that up under there. Not enough hands to do all this, as usual. And then we're going to grab right behind that hook on the dash there. And you're just going to kind of pull with it. And you can see that it released every one of them all at the same time. And I was pulling on the actual hook rather than the this piece of plastic to where you'll break it. So if you reach under there with the hook, with this hook, and grab a hold of this latch, you know, one of these latches, one of this latch, whichever one you want to go with. Normally they don't all come popping off at the same time like it just did, but here you can see what that latch looks like. So you see it goes in forward, and then you can hook this spring right here and pull on the latch itself instead of the plastic. And that's how you do it, folks. Hope you enjoyed it.